Hey everyone, John with Repeller. Today we're going to be walking you through how to capture photos in the mobile application, viewing them, and then also viewing them in the desktop, and the communication functionality between the field and the office. So on this project, we can see that it's a road project here. And so to capture a photo, maybe of an underground install, we can select on the tools, select photo, and then you can select from the photo library, or you can take the photo directly within the app itself. So I'm going to select Photo Library. And we're going to capture a picture of this underground install. So we'll just hit Add. Now it'll default to exactly where that photo is taken based on the GPS of your phone, or you can manually place that photo on the map itself. Additionally, you can upload multiple images at one time, or you can just do one at a time. Once you get that uploaded, you'll just select Next. We can add a title in. And then we can assign a category. So we have multiple categories you can add in on the fly, or you can organize them by site walkthrough or safety hazards. So we're going to select utilities, and we'll call it pipe auditing, and then we'll select Next. Now it'll default to that location based on wherever you took the photo, or you can manually place that on the map itself. Once you've got that selected location, you just select Upload to Site, and in just a few seconds, it will then populate, and then you can start to interact with that data there on the site. So if you haven't seen the photo, just go to the Layers tab, make sure you toggle on Photos, and we'll see that image. Now, within that actual platform, you could actually select the photo itself. We'll see an overview of that photo. And if you wanted to download that image, you can click on these three dots up in the top right. You can fly to the photo, you can edit, you can download it, save it on your file. Additionally, if you scroll up, you can either share that by clicking this, click the QR code, or someone can scan the QR code. Or if you want to tag a user back in the office or a site contractor, you can hit this comments button and you can @ that person that's assigned to your portal. So once that person has been tagged, they'll get an email within a few minutes notifying that they've been tagged in a photo, and then they can either log on to the portal itself and view those images, or they can click here in the browser on the map. So let me show you what that looks like here in the browser and interacting with that data on the web platform itself. Now we're back in the same project on the desktop, the web browser, and we can see the images that have been uploaded. And this is the image that I just uploaded from my mobile device. So within a few seconds, the image that's been captured in the on the mobile application and uploaded will be available here under the Media tab on the left side, where you can then view that right here on the desktop application. So we can see that underground install. You can see up in the top left where that photo is taken in relation to the rest of the project. We can see what categories are associated with it, the utilities. Again, same functionality. You can fly to that photo, download it, share it via that QR code, and then also view the comments. Again, you can communicate directly within the application itself. So if you wanted keeping a running record of the communication about an event, so the underground install, a safety hazard, all of those can be maintained here in the platform, and that running record, that dialogue of conversation, will be collected and stored here in the portal. Other functionality within this Media tab. We will default to the showing images taken within the last 30 days. You can click on that. I only want to see photos taken within the last week. All the time. You can set a custom period over the last 2 weeks or the last 6 months, whatever that looks like. You can set that there. Additionally, you can also organize by authors. So if you have a specific person who's going to be taking site documentation for safety hazards or walkthrough videos, you can organize by the authors as well as by category. So things like your pipe auditing, your site images, again, running a 360 image through a 360 camera of a virtual walkthrough, you can organize those by that category. And then once you get all those images uploaded and organized the way you want to, say we'll click on this 360 image, you can interact with that photo here. Again, just doing a quick toggle around, you can view what that looks like there on the site. And then these little carrots here will then take you to the next image. So if you organize by by specific type of image or by author or by time frame. You can cycle through those images here on the desktop. So that's the media functionality on the mobile application as well as the desktop application. Hope everyone gets some good use out of this and starting to organize those site conditions while they're on the project.